Hello friends, my name is Avia. Welcome to my show. Today I'm going to talk about Wonder Woman, and she is my favorite superhero. I'm going to read the Wonder Woman book. This is the title page. Meet the Wonder Woman. She is a superhero and a warrior princess. She was grown in Ireland. She mother was Queen of Amazon. The powers, the Greek god gives she powers. She's making a secret. She named Dinah Prince. She has a tiara with a red star. She has metal bracelets but don't get broke. She has a rope tie up the bad peoples. She is smart, she is brave, she is fast. She comes and saves peoples. There's a cheetah girl. Attack the world. She has so many friends. Superman, Supergirl, Batman, Batgirl. Let's go the world. Wonder Woman to the rescue. The end. For watching. Hope you liked the show. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.